Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I welcome you all in my channel. This is your soulmate love reading. So let's see what is your soulmate love reading. Okay, I'm going to do your soulmate reading today. Let's see what are the messages for what are the messages. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner, and take whatever is resonating, because it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating and leave the rest, Aquarius. And if you want to tell me anything, you can tell me out in the comment section. And please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get whatever messages are important for you. Okay, let's start your reading. Let's start your soulmate reading. So Aquarius, the two cards have been fallen out for you, and first is moving on. Okay, so this is 8 of cups energy around you. So you are moving on towards lights. Can you see? This is a man who is standing, who is moving on towards the light. Okay, and there is rejoice in celebration. Okay, so there is something happening in your life in which you are celebrating. Any other message? Any other message? Okay, so there is some mental conflict around you, Aquarius. Maybe you are thinking a lot. Maybe there is something which in which you are using your mind a lot. Okay, so you just have to be aware of it, because prosperity is going to be begin here. There is prosperity begins and passionate ignited. Okay, beautiful messages are there for you. You just have to be get out of this mental conflict energy, so that you can get to know that there is prosperity which is waiting for you. There is something which is igniting your passion here. Okay, Ace of Wands energy, very beautiful. And prosperity begins as Ace of Pentacle. Any other message for my Aquarius? Patience and planning. You just have to be patient and plan yourself, Aquarius. Okay, that's the message for you. And this is discontentment and boredom. Okay, so just follow, just leave, just think that you do not have to get bored and discontentment. Okay, these are the messages. Choose wisely. Okay, choose wisely, Aquarius. And bottom of the deck I'm having the universe. So world card is there. You're completing some kind of cycle. Maybe you are having lots of options. Okay, and you have to choose wisely what you want to choose, Aquarius, because there is something in which you are finding discontentment and boredom. So just choose wisely. Okay, let me know what are the messages for Aquarius soulmate reading. This is the soulmate reading, so help me out to deliver the messages for Aquarius which are in soulmate. Hope. Yeah, beautiful message. You are having hope. Okay, the sun, the hope. Can you see the light is here? So just believe that you are having hope and follow your hope. Any other message? Solitude. Okay, solitude is the message for you. Heartache and loss. 5 of cups energy. Don't focus on things which have been hurting you, Aquarius, or the things which you have lost. Okay, don't be more focused on that kind of energy. Why? Because there is something in which you are getting more things. There is a base chakra, then there is a spiritual strength. You're getting your spiritual strength more. So just focus on the positive things, Aquarius. And there is accelerated motion. There is something in which you are getting more, activating more. Okay, so these are the messages for you from your soulmate reading. Okay, let's see. Thank you so much, Psychic Tarot deck, for giving the messages. And I'm going to take 5 messages from this and then I'm going to clarify from the deck. So let's see what are the messages for my Aquarius soulmate. Soulmate reading. This is the soulmate reading. And these 3 cards just fallen out. I have to take it or not? No, I'm not going to take it, but I'm going to tell you that there is a happy. My intuition is saying to take it. Okay, I'm going to take it. Fork in the road. Okay, fork in the road. And there is TikTok, and TikTok is all about the divine timing, Aquarius. There is something in which you have to wait for the divine timing, because divine timing is very important. Without divine timing, you cannot do anything. Okay. There is something in which you have to make a decision, basically. Again, 2 of Swords energy. Okay, there is something in your life in which you have to, time has come to make a decision, considering the consequences as you prepare to act, owning up to your obligations to make a necessary choice. Okay, you have reached a moment of truth in the evolution of your relationship. Which will you choose to open up to the possibility of love or remain isolated? Okay, so this was the message for fork in the road, because I was unable to get the message. I'm going to clarify these cards, okay, with my deck. So let's see what are the messages for the Aquarius. Be flexible, and I'm getting the 5 messages for you. So be flexible, Aquarius. Whatever is happening, adjust, be more flexible and adjust yourself. Okay. And there is time to go. Okay, there is something in which you have to, time to go is there. Let's clarify these cards, Aquarius. Okay, let's see what are the cards meaning. But there is something in which you are be very happy, Aquarius. You will feel very happy, very happy, very happy. Can you see this girl is laughing a lot, holding a star? This is you feeling very happy, because, and there is some decisions which you have to make in your life. There is something in which there is a divine timing. There is TikTok. So but you have to be more flexible. Okay, and there is something in which you have to let go the things, time to go. Okay, let me see what is the meaning of happy. Empress just fell out. This is you. Okay, gender is not specific here. You can take gender as according to your situation. Please clarify what is the meaning of happy. Wow. Okay, Aquarius. Wow, beautiful clarification. That's why you are very happy, and now you will be happy when you see the cards. Empress, Emperor, and 6 of Wands. You're getting success in achieving reconciliation with your divine. You are dealing with your divine counterpart, Emperor and Empress. That's why you are very happy. Okay, because you are getting your divine counterpart in your life. Okay, can you see? There is 6 of Wands, Emperor and Empress. That's why you are very happy. That's the clarification of happy. Wow, beautiful, Aquarius. You are getting success in getting your divine counterpart in your life. Okay. Wow. Beautiful. And I am also very happy after looking this card explanation, because this is the perfect explanation what I was thinking too. But what is the fork in the bed? Fork in the road, sorry, not bed. What is fork in the road? Too many cards. Okay, please clarify what is fork in the road. What is the meaning of fork in the road? What is the meaning of fork in the road? Please clarify. Please clarify what is fork in the road. What is the meaning of fork in the road? Yeah, right. Two of Swords energy. You have to make a decision. Aquarius. Okay. And there are two things in which you make to take a decision. In bottom of the deck, I'm having King of Swords. Okay. So yeah, you have to make a decision between two situations. One is your divine counterpart, Four of Wands. Okay. Four of Wands, and there is someone who is your divine counterpart. Okay, one is your twin flame and one is your karmic soulmate, and the karmic one is giving you offer. Okay, they are giving you offer, but you are saying no to them. You're not accepting the cup, and that's very good, but you have to make a decision between two things. Okay, there is conflicts around you with that person, there are conflicts around them. Five of Swords, Page of Swords, Ace of Pentacle, and Four of Cups. You are saying no to them. 1122 was the recording reading time. Yeah, this is your karmic soulmate. They are trying to give you some offer. Okay, but you are not you are not accepting that cup. Can you see this girl is saying no? So you are not accepting that cup because they were spying on you, they were keeping tabs on you, there were a lot of conflicts around that person, and that's very good because you're not accepting it. Can you see this is Two of Swords energy, and this card is all about fork in the road is Two of Swords energy, unable to make a decision. But now 1155 was the recording reading time, but now this is the time to make a decision, Aquarius. Okay, and there are choices in your life that you have to take a decision. Okay. One is there are two energies for you in the main reading also. This was there that there are two energies. One there is lot of deception, lies, cheating, manipulation going on, and that's why you were in this position of Two of Swords, unable to make a decision. But now you have to take a decision. Okay, and the Tower, strength, and the Four of Wands. Keep your strength with you, Aquarius. Something is shaking up in your life, you have to take a decision, and you are dealing with your divine counterpart. Four of Wands is there. Let me see what is TikTok. Please clarify. Seven of Cups. Okay, maybe you are having right now lots of options, you're exploring lot of options with you. Please clarify what is TikTok. Okay, please clarify. Help me out to clarify. Help me out to clarify what is the meaning of TikTok. Cards. Wow. There is someone from your past, Aquarius, which are rushing towards you, and which is your soulmate. Six of Cups, Knight of Swords. They are rushing towards you, Aquarius. You are having lots of options in your life. Seven of Cups. You are right now having lots of options. You are unable to choose basically, but divine timing is happening in your life. The divine is taking care of you. Okay, they are creating, you are getting your divine counterpart. Can you see Six of Cups and Knight of Swords? They are rushing towards you. The person is from your past. Okay, and they are giving you Ace of Wands and Ace of Swords. They're igniting the passion, they're giving you clarity. 1414 was the recording reading time. So they are giving you lots of passionate new beginnings are happening in your life, and you're getting your clarity. Ace of Wands and Ace of Swords. Okay, so there is someone from your past, Aquarius, who is rushing towards you. The Six of Cups is there. You are having lots of options, but they are coming towards you. What is TikTok? TikTok, please clarify one more time. Yeah, see, that's the thing. Right now you are single, abundant in your own ways. Nine of Pentacles, and you're getting your justice and the chariot. You are moving in a forward direction, Aquarius. You're getting your karmic justice. You're getting your justice, and you know the what is right and what is wrong for you. You know the difference between what is the meaning of black and white, what is right and what is wrong. You know that now. That's why you're getting justice. This is your karmic justice. The divine is taking care of it. Wow. What is the meaning of flexible? Please clarify. What is the meaning of flexible? What is the meaning of flexible? Please clarify what is flexible. There was something in your life, Aquarius, which was King of Pentacle, in which you were putting lots of efforts. Okay, that energy was not at all toxic. You were trying so hard to put lots of efforts, equal amount of give and take, but you are putting an end to that situation. Can you see there is King of Pentacle? Let me show you like this. There is someone who was financially stable person, older than you. Maybe that person was financially stable, King of Pentacle. Okay, and you were putting lots of efforts in that relationship. Seven of Pentacle is there. Okay, but you are putting an end to that situation. Okay, you are putting an end, you are starting something new. Why you are putting an end? That situation is getting end because that situation was toxic for you. The devil is here. So that situation was toxic for you, that was not good for you, and you are putting an end to that because you want to take equal amount of give and take. You want equal amount of give and take in relationship, and there was no equal amount of give and take in that relationship. That's why you are putting an end to that situation, and you're getting flexible to new positions, new life, new things. Okay, that's why. Okay, and that's very good that you are getting more flexible, because if it is, this energy is not good for anyone. Okay, devil energy is not good for anyone, and you are putting an end to the devil, and that's very good. Okay, you're putting an end because that was toxic for you. There was no equal amount of give and take in that situation. Let me see what is the time to go. Please clarify what is time to go. Queen of Swords, this is you. 1 minute. Okay, this means not endings, completion, walking away from something because there is nothing else to learn or experience. Okay, so that's you, Aquarius. You are walking away from something because there was nothing else left in that situation. Okay, and you are walking away from your karmic one because you're putting an end to here. Can you see there is a death card to this devil? So you are putting an end to this devil. That's why this is the time for you to walk away. This is Queen of Swords. You know the truth that this is not good for you. You have to walk away. This is the completion card. What is the meaning of time to go? Please clarify. Yeah, right. That's why you are walking away. That situation involves marriage. Hierophant is there. The situation in which you were before, Aquarius, the past situation. Okay, the situation in which you are putting lots of efforts. Okay, there are 7 of Pentacle and 8 of Pentacle, both are there. So you are putting lots of efforts in it, and you are waiting the things to come better. Okay, you are waiting that the things will be getting better, but it was not getting better. Can you see? This is Three of Swords. They put you in a third party situation. They always did bad for you. This girl is screaming a lot. Okay, you were trying so hard to balance the situation. Two of Pentacles, you were trying so hard to balance the situation, to make the balance in the situation, but you are unable to make the balance. And there is Seven of Wands. Now you are defending your energy. You are saying 2020 was the recording reading time. You are saying that now I'm not in a mood to entertain any mind games. I'm defending my energy. I'm saying no more mind games. Now it's a time to let go. Now, because you know the truth. Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords is all who is someone who knows the truth. What is truth? Okay, so you know the truth that this situation is not going anywhere. You will always be manipulated by this person. This person will always hurt you. This person will always give you lies, cheating, deception. They will put you in a third party. That's why this is the time to go. You are letting go this person from your life, this relationship from your life. And that's very good, Aquarius. I'm proud of you that you are doing that, because when you are doing this, you are receiving this, Aquarius. What you are receiving is very beautiful. Can you see why you are very happy? Because you are letting go of all these karmic things. Then that's why you are very happy right now. Okay, if you have not, if your divine counterpart has not it's not there in your life till now, they will be entering soon, because you are letting go of karmic one. The karmic one was which were toxic for you. The devil one, the toxic one, was trying to control you, manipulate you, playing mind games with you, ghosted you. Okay, they put you in a third party situation. You're putting an end to that situation. That card is there, so you're putting an end to that situation. So these were the messages for you, Aquarius, who are in soulmate, okay, twin flame journey. This is your soulmate reading. So please give me, what are the advice from the universe? Please give me advice from the universe to my lovely Aquarius all over the world. Give me the advice. What is the advice? Please give me the advice. Yeah, right. Again, this has come for you, Aquarius. Give me the advice. Queen of Swords, Five of Pentacles, and Moon, Aquarius. You know the truth. Queen of Swords again has come for you. You know the truth that this person is only toxic for you, Queen of Swords and Queen of Swords. So you know the truth, Aquarius, that they are something secrets hidden from you. Can you see? There is some secrets hidden from you. Either you are leaving the situation or they are leaving the situation. You are leaving a situation or person behind, the Five of Pentacles, because you know the truth that there are some secrets which are hidden from you. Okay, so this is the advice from the universe. Let me see, I'm getting more advice for you. What are the advice for the Aquarius? Please help me out to give the advice. If there is some advice for Aquarius, there are secrets hidden from you and you know this truth, Aquarius. So leave as soon as possible. And bottom of the deck, I'm having Six of Wands again. Wow, Four of Wands. You will get success in achieving your twin flame, Aquarius, once you leave this situation as soon as possible. Okay, you just need to release all the burdens which you are carrying out. Ten of Wands and Ten of Swords are there. So that was the advice from the divine, from the universe. Okay, what's the advice from the universe is, you know the truth, Aquarius, that there are some secrets hidden from you. You just have to leave that situation or person behind. Okay, so this was the message from the divine, from the universe. Thank you so much for giving the advice to my Aquarius. And I love one card for you and I love it. Okay, the card was this. This was the best thing which I find it out in your reading, Aquarius. Why you are so happy. You will be very happy. Okay, if it is not there, the divine counterpart is not there in your life, then it is going to be enter soon. Okay, you will getting success in achieving your divine counterpart. Okay, Emperor and Empress, you will be very happy. Can you see there is a very happy card here? So yes, this was the messages for Aquarius divine counterpart. Let me see what are the messages from your soulmate. What are they thinking? What they want to tell you? Let me see what are the messages they are thinking to give my Aquarius. I'm going to tell you what your soulmate is thinking about you. Please help me out to give the messages for my Aquarius from soulmate. Okay. Beautiful messages I am getting for you. The first message is, you make me laugh constantly, continuously. Is it clear or not? Okay, yeah, it is clear now. So they want to tell you, your soulmate wants to tell you this, Aquarius, that you make them laugh constantly, continuously. You pamper me like a baby. Okay. They want to tell you this, that you pamper them like a baby. Okay, you are honest with me. Your soulmate wants to tell you that you are honest with them. They feel that you are their home. You are my home. They want to tell you this, Aquarius, that you are their home. Beautiful message from your soulmate. They want to tell you that you listen to me well. Wow, you listen to me well is the message for you from your soulmate. You do things to make me happy. Beautiful message. They want to tell you that you do things to make them happy. Okay, that's the message from them, and the message is, you trust me. They want to tell you that you trust them. These are the messages from the soulmate. Okay, for you, Aquarius. Let's add some charm and close it out. So first is clove leaf. Okay, this is the good fortune. The luck is on your side, Aquarius. So you do not have to worry at all. Good news is coming your way. Okay, some of you are dealing with Virgo. Virgo is there. I hope it is visible for you. Okay, then there is Sagittarius. So your twin flame or divine counterpart can be Sagittarius. Then there is Aquarius. Okay, so Aquarius, you can be dealing with your Aquarius. Okay, then there is Leo. So some of you can be dealing with Leo. Then there is Taurus. So some of you Aquarius soulmate can be Taurus and Gemini. Okay, so these are the signs I'm getting for you, Aquarius. Then there is a key for you. You have a solution, you have a key. Okay, so use your key. There are two owls, Aquarius. You and your divine counterpart are very intuitive. Okay, you both are very intuitive because you are the mirror to each other. So use your intuitions, Aquarius. Two owls are there. You are highly intuitive person, and your person is also highly guided. Okay, use your intuitions. Okay, there is leaf too. Okay, golden leaf is again there, clove leaf is there. Good news, good fortune is there, luck is on your side basically. Okay, elephant, again there are two elephants, so lot of strength. You are in, you and your divine counterpart, you are dealing with your divine counterpart. There are two elephants giving you lots of strength. Okay, strength, courage, there are in pair. Then there are two more elephants. Okay, so divine counterpart, you are again dealing with your divine counterpart, or soon you are meeting your divine counterpart, because you both are on same page. I'm getting two pairs, I'm getting a pair of everything. Okay, There is a small turtle. Then turtle was the animal spirit also for you today. That slow and steady wins the race. I hope it is visible to you. Let me show you like this, if it is visible. Okay. Okay, if it is visible like this or like this. Okay, I don't know whether it is visible to you or not, but there is a turtle here. Okay, so slow and steady wins the race. Turtle is for that. There is a small fish. Okay, small golden fish. Fish is all about good news. Okay, good fortune, and just fell out. I will pick it up later on. So it is there. Then there is two palms, which is also in pair. This is also indicates good fortune, good luck, good news. Okay, so I hope it's visible to you, but it's in pair, so that means you and your divine counterpart. So you are dealing with your divine counterpart, Aquarius. There is more a big fish for you. Okay, good news, good fortune, good source again for you. There are a lot of wings here. You are protected by the angels. Okay, and there are two angels which are protecting you. You do not have to worry at all. One is in pair. Actually three I'm seeing. Okay, so one, there are two, no, two guardian angels again. So yes, there are guardian angels who are protecting you. Can you see there are two wings, and the wings are in pair, so you do not have to worry at all. You are protected by angels. They are looking towards you. There are two guardian angels which are protecting you, Aquarius. Okay, there is a star. So new hopes and desires are coming your way. Okay, new hopes, new beginnings, desires coming your way. Butterfly, you are getting transformed, Aquarius. Okay, into butterfly. So transformation period is happening for some of you. You're getting transformed into butterfly. There are many things here which are there in pair. Okay, but there are something which are three. So there is something which is happening for you in three. You just have to choose wisely. There is karmic soulmate too, so you have to choose carefully. Okay, Aquarius, just choose carefully. There is one more wing here in silver. So guardian angel are there which are protecting you. Okay, you do not have to worry at all. There are two trees in pair. There are golden trees. Okay, copper trees, antique trees. Trees are always the roots, the source, the good news. So roots are there, the trees are there, and there are silver trees, but there are in three. Okay, so choose wisely. You are dealing with, there are three trees. So one is your karmic soulmate and one is your divine counterpart. Okay, so choose wisely. Because again there are three leaves, so you have to choose wisely. Maybe, can you see there are three same leaves? So choose wisely, Aquarius. One is your karmic one and one is your divine counterpart. Yeah, so these are the lucky charms for you, my lovely Aquarius. They were flowers. Flower is all about blossoming. Okay, bloom like a blossom, like a flower. Okay, then there is feather too, again a small feather. So lot of guardian angel support is there. They are protecting you, they are looking at you. You do not have to worry at all. Then this is again in pair. There is a petal inside. Okay, this is in pair. So you and your divine counterpart are on the same level. You are dealing with your divine counterpart. Okay, so these are the lucky charms for you, my lovely Aquarius. This is your soulmate love reading. Okay, I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. Let me add, what is your life purpose? What is your life purpose, and what is your soulmate life purpose in this life? Help me out. What is the soul purpose for Aquarius and their soulmate? Help me out to give the life purpose of Aquarius and their soulmate. Okay. First card was environmentalist. You are an earth angel who was born to protect, nurture and teach about nature and animals. So you and your soulmate has a soul purpose to protect and teach about environment, Aquarius. Okay. So next is sensitivity. You are becoming more sensitive and need to make changes accordingly. So you are getting more sensitive. Okay. Then there is support. Your life purpose fully supports you. Okay, so you do not have to worry about it. You and your soulmate life purpose fully supports you. Then there is options. Consider the career possibilities that are open to you. So these are the life purpose for you and your soulmate, Aquarius. Then there is family. Loving your family and friends is the central of your life purpose. Very important life purpose, Aquarius. You and your soulmate follow this life purpose, that you both have to love your family, your friends, your near ones and dear ones. That's the life purpose for you and your soulmate. That's the soul purpose. And let me know, what is the soul lesson for you and your soulmate? I'm taking this as not as individual, I'm taking as together. Okay, so apply according to your situation. What is the soul lesson for Aquarius and their soulmate? There are 5 6 soul lessons, 7 soul lessons which you and your soulmate has to learn in this soul journey, in this lifetime. And first is change. Okay, you both have to learn this, that I understand that nothing can grow or evolve without movement. So change is the soul lesson that you have to learn, you both have to learn. Then there is discipline. I can accomplish what I set my mind to. This is the soul lesson which you both have to learn. Okay, then there is love. I commit to the practice of seeing the good in all things. So you both have to learn the love soul lesson, that you always see good in all the things. Okay, then there is imagination. I embrace and nourish the creative aspect of my mind. Yes, you are very creative, Aquarius, so you both have to be more focused on your creativity. Okay, so focus on your creativity. That's the important soul lesson for you and your soulmate. Then there is forgiveness. I acknowledge that harboring resentment blocks the flow of love. So you both have to learn this soul lesson, that you have to forgive. If you both are have to forgive any of one, even forgive yourself. Okay, then there is acceptance. I am learning to accept the things that I cannot change. You both have to learn this, that if you cannot change something, you have to accept that thing as it is. Okay, then there is friendship. I understand that a friend is in my life for a reason. Okay, you have to learn this lesson, that friendship is important. There is a reason why there is why the friends are there in your life. So these are the messages for the you both, Aquarius and your soulmate. These are the soul lessons which you both have to learn while continuing this life journey. Okay, so this was your soulmate love reading and soulmate messages, your life purpose and soul lessons. Okay, I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, Aquarius, till the time, take care of yourself. Sending you lots of love, light and happiness, all of you, to all of you Aquarius, whether you are anywhere in this world. Till the time, take care of yourself and see you soon, my beautiful magical beings. See ya.